Hi everyone, welcome back to eLearning Excel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use AutoSum, the fastest way to add numbers in Excel. Let's get started. What AutoSum does. AutoSum is a built-in Excel feature that automatically adds a selected range of numbers for you. No typing formulas necessary. Okay, basic AutoSum example. Here I have a small list of numbers I want to add. To use AutoSum, click on an empty cell where you want a result. Then go to the Home tab and click AutoSum, this button with the sigma symbol. Excel automatically highlights the range it thinks you want to sum. If it's correct, just press Enter. Done. If it's not correct, select your range and press Enter. And now, quick AutoSum tricks. Trick 1, keyboard shortcut. You can also press Alt plus equals to instantly insert AutoSum. Trick 2, multiple columns at once. You can select several empty cells under multiple columns and press AutoSum. Excel will calculate all of them in one click. Trick 3, rows 2. You can use AutoSum for rows by selecting the cell to the right of your numbers. Trick 4, AutoSum for contiguous ranges. Insert AutoSum. Select your range and press Enter. Trick 5, AutoSum for non-contiguous ranges. You can also use AutoSum on non-contiguous ranges. In other words, cells that are not next to each other. To do this, insert AutoSum, then click on first cell or range you want to include in the calculation, then hold down the Control key and select each cell or range you want to include in the calculation. Trick 6, AutoSum using Shift to select a 3D block of data. You can quickly select a 3D block of numbers using the Shift key. Click the first cell in a range, then hold Shift and click the last worksheet. Excel selects everything in between. Now press Enter. Done. And that's how easy it is to use AutoSum in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next tutorial.